This is the enter to the park. Okay, I'll see you inside. Hey guys, this is Waterfall by my house. It's very beautiful. It's located in Dallas, Georgia. Look at that. It was fall season right now. It's no tree. It's beautiful, guys. I love it. I love this park. And this is the water right here. It's very clear. You see it? It's very clear. See, and cold. Oh my goodness! It's. I think this water is come from spring water over there on the top the rock. This is big rock, guys. See? And this water is never stop because they are spring water. And also I want to take you here. See this water all the way. See, this is the rock. See, this is the rock. It's very, very hot rock. Of course, the rock is very hot. See, the water go all the way down over there. Let me walk through this water. I'm walking through the water.
Come on.
And it's go all the way there. See, all the way over there. Usually they have deer here. I don't see deer today. Okay, now we're going home. This is the trail. We have to walk in through the parking lot. This is a trail, guys. So the waterfall is behind me. Bye, waterfall. I'll see you next time. We'll be back. Okay. It's beautiful when the springtime come in. Okay, walking. It's not too far from our house. Okay, be careful. This water. You go first. Oh no, I don't want to go there. Okay. Ooh, it's cold my hand. Now we're going back to the parking lot. This is where we come from. They got a really big hole over there. To be careful. It's a big hole down here. Hey, it's good exercise. What plant is that over there? The green over there. Okay, guys, we're in the parking lot now. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye bye.